Hey guys, welcome back to Inventory. This is episode 2, and today we're making chocolate Kahlua cake. This is Sun's recipe, actually. But do you have the recipe with you? Or no?
No.
It's on my phone.
To make from memory.
It is Sun's recipe. Are we gonna try and make it from memory?
No, I'm just kidding. I have a recipe. Look at
Guys, today we're joined by Snang behind the camera over there, right there. Hello. And then we're also joined today by Cody. He is another one of our senior postulants this year. And he's going to be going to Novitiate because he's going to starve in Mexico, guys.
Help.
He's really going to starve.
Help.
You need to talk to that camera. It's closer. Anyways,
Oh my God,
did you find the recipe? This is, oh wait, did I start a new clip? No, I'm not. I'm not going to start a new clip. All right, guys. So usually on this show, we are eating and cooking at the same time. It is currently 9 o'clock at night. We just got out of a meeting. Tomorrow is the Feast of St. Joseph, and we want to make a cake for our community. And we're doing this cake because it's their patron feast day.
Yes.
It's their patron feast day. And so we're going to make this in honor of them and of St. Joseph. Today we're cheating by using box cake mix and box fudge mix. I am going to need a scale. We're going to start off
I will get this.
with 3.75 ounces of chocolate pudding mix. So I have a bowl right here, and we're going to go in with this scale. We're going to go in with 3.75 ounces of chocolate pudding mix. Just use your favorite one. Now, if you ever put excess in, scoop it out. I need a spoon. You got it?
Oh, that's perfect. 3.8 is fine.
That's
What
probably
do
fine.
we say 3 point?
So 3.75 ounces of chocolate pudding mix, and then we're gonna go in with an entire box cake mix, and then we're gonna do 2 cups of sour cream. Guys, see, Cody is currently running to go grab a spoon. I'm using a spatula and measuring it in because it's literally just 2 cups of sour cream. Because I have to level it out anyways.
But this is easy. How much easier that is? Okay.
And now I have to level it out and push it back into the container.
And, but I know it's faster.
It is faster, somehow, guys. So I need 1 more. Look at that. Look at that. Do you guys see that?
All right, now I'm tagged.
I have 2 cups of sour cream that's going in. So it's kind of messy right now. The recipe calls for half a cup of Kahlua.
That's yep.
And then we can do a Kahlua. We're gonna do a Kahlua glaze on top. So no worries. I still need this. I'm gonna scrape this container. Because it wasn't 2 cups. Guys, it's just like a real cooking show up in here. All right, that's done.
Okay.
We're going in with the Kahlua. Oh, did you want to take this as well? Please don't trash it. Oh, we need eggs. We need eggs.
I got.
Okay.
Come with me into the kitchen. Wrong one.
We need 4 eggs.
4? Okay.
Guys, okay. Just to recap, we have 3.75 ounces of chocolate pudding mix. We have 2 cups of sour cream. We have half a cup of Kahlua. We have 3/4 of a cup of vegetable oil. And then we have 4 eggs. Do you want to do your one-hand egg crack into here?
Oh, yeah.
Because I cannot. So Cody's able to do this. I am not. See, when I was in culinary, I did not do eggs. We learned other things. And Cody's used to cracking eggs because he used to be a sushi chef. And somehow those things are related together. The thing is, I don't like my fingers being dirty. And so I'm gonna wash my fingers after touching all of those eggs. I think this is arguably the easiest recipe that we'll make.
Probably.
All right. So we are currently whisking. Dang, do you want to come in and get a closer shot of this? As they are mixing the cake, I am going to oil up our bun pan. I'm going to use some butter, actually, and then I'm going to coat it with flour. Oh, that's easier. Guys, I said previously that I was going to use butter. I am not. I'm going to use some BJ's cooking spray. Because it's easier. What are we missing? Oh, how much chocolate chips does it call for? Guys, we're also going in with some chocolate chips as well. Definitely dark chocolate.
Dark chocolate.
Yeah. Let me get some flour so we can coat this up. I feel like this is one of our, this feels so calm right now.
Mm-hmm.
There's no chaos happening over here. Not at all, which is very surprising. It's 6 ounces.
Here.
To make a mess.
Bam, perfect. That's just too good.
I now have my oiled and floured pan, and we're gonna go in with our cake mix.
You have to do something. Just okay. Well, you spin the bottom then.
So one of the important things that we learn in formation is teamwork. And here you can see when teamwork fails.
It's because of him.
No, because you.
And
No.
this is why teamwork is failing, because now they're arguing on whose fault it is.
But you are the one that instigated it.
that is not the point.
Yes.
I would like to let the studio audience know
And
that is
Hey.
not the point.
and this time you're not in the middle, okay?
I'm
See,
not
you're
in
in
the
the middle this time.
Which is why I'm instigating.
Take things slow.
This is going to go into a preheated oven at a temperature that I think is set correctly. So I currently have this oven preheated to 350, and we're going to go right in on the middle rack. You're going to set a timer for 1 hour, but just be careful. It might be done before that 1 hour comes up. Hey guys, it's been 40 minutes. We are hopping back in and checking on this cake. So if now you want to follow over here, the cake looks so good, and it is so jiggly and undercooked. So we're gonna put it back in the oven. We're gonna put it back in there. It is definitely undercooked, right? Your lab fell. That's only, I lied, it was only 30 minutes. So we have another 30 minutes to
Oh
go.
Jesus! It doesn't taste good. What does it taste like?
Like champagne vinegar?
What?
Champagne vinegar, Dijon mustard, and like chocolate with arugula and like.
You're adding too many things together. It's giving.
Did we record that? That is recorded, right? My description of the raw
It's giving.
that's currently in the oven. It's giving plant.
Maybe I'm
Please.
just hoping. Maybe it's just your taste buds. What are these flavors?
That's what I said. You see, champagne vinegar, Dijon mustard.
Shut up. Okay, no, I can get the chocolate undertones, but it's like the initial lick that's like what nailed it just tastes, and after that it's all chocolate.
Yes. After that, it's all chocolate. It's the initial like hit of it. Hey guys, we just pulled this cake out of the oven. It has been cooling for, I want to say 10 minutes, and I have my little pot grabbies that I have, and we're gonna go ahead and flip this cake onto our stand.
There it is.
She looks fine. This is
Remember,
the
this is the son's recipe.
peeling off the skin of the cake. And it's flour and oil. It's like a roux coating. It's a roux coating, you know?
It's like a bad sunburn.
It's like a bad sunburn. Guys, this is gonna be me this summer. So if you guys didn't know, I'm from Houston, Texas, and the beach is an hour away. I will go there every weekend. It is currently 10:30 at night.
No way.
And we started at 10. No, it is currently 10:30, and we started at 9. We started at 9. Oh, here is Sun. Come on in. Guys, it is 10:30. Sun has finally come down to examine his signature Kahlua cake. What do you think?
It's coming out good.
I think so. I think if we dust it with some powdered sugar and some glaze, it'll be really nice.
It's very soft.
The texture is amazing. Thank you for joining us on this episode of Inventory. It's 10:30 as always. This is not the latest we've ever finished a recipe here on Inventory, whether that be filmed or unfilmed. If you'd like to make a donation to the North American Conference of Redemptorists to support Redemptorist vocations, go to co-redemptorist.org and you can make your pledge there. Thank you for always watching. Join us next time as we try to make a flan, basically. Wait and see. You guys saw how this turned out. So we'll see how the next one turns out. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye. Hearts. Love.